Now in this video we're coming back to the circuit from the last video. A lot of my videos, or electronic circuits in general, there's at least two really interesting voltages to be aware of that are changing. And so you can see that pretty easily in roll mode where it's scrolling across, and we slowed it down about 1 second per division there, and we set the voltage for nice voltages to work with 5 volt DC. So each square is 1 volt. This goes dim if you don't press a button for a couple minutes. That's what I have it set to, because we're using battery, and it will auto shut off in like 5 minutes. If you plug it in, it's just going to stay bright and not auto shut off. You can probably change that though. But in any case, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 volts of the power supply. That's not being measured, but that fifth line up there is where 5 volts would be. That's 0 volts down there. We're dropped down about a diode approximately, because you can see coming over here, channel 2, which is green, goes through a diode, charging this capacitor up, and it goes over to this resistor to ground. So it's charging that way. Then you can see about another diode drop approximately. We got the other diode there to the channel 1 probe right there, and the ground clip is over there. That's measuring this capacitor and also the voltage across the load. So now we zoomed in to get a closer look at things right there. So when I press the switch, you can see the positive supply there. That's going to put the positive supply in series with the capacitor and pump more current into that capacitor. So you're going to see a spike in voltage there, and the voltage go up and slowly go down as it powers the load right there. So you can see the green spike down there, and it spiked up and then came back down. And then the capacitor here, voltage went up, channel 1, and it slowly went down. Of course, we can keep pressing the button. We're going to have a whole bunch of spikes and a flatter voltage for the capacitor powering the load right there. So there's all kinds of ways we can improve this, but you can see the basic way that the voltages are working in this circuit. If we press the button, hold the button, then it's mostly the power supply voltage is holding steady while the capacitor discharges. We also have a problem with current going through the resistor there. So really we want to keep the spikes as short as possible and as rapid as possible to get this circuit to work the best. This switch isn't the best, the technique isn't the best, but this is a good demonstration circuit. Last video I showed the circuit up close and the schematic. Pretty simple circuit to build, easy way to get a higher voltage, and a really great way to learn a lot more about electronics. So hope you enjoy. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.